You're watching Times XP. I'm Dhritiyatri, and Israel's defense ministry has dropped a bombshell. Basically, a record budget for 2026, 144 billion shekels. That's probably $44.7 billion. Yes, you heard that right. Billions are being poured into preparing for war and not welfare. $2.2 billion for that, earmarked specifically to counter Iran's missiles and drones. And not just Iran, by the way, Israel is keeping a wary eye on China's military buildup too. Let's talk about a budget that is fueled by war here. Experts call it a fear fund, basically money meant to protect Israel's image, assert military dominance, and intimidate the adversaries. Pause. Let that sink in here. Israel is bleeding economically, yet Netanyahu is doubling down on defense, signaling that we are ready, we are watching, and we will not be caught off guard. This is typical economic strain versus military might. While the country's citizens, they are feeling the pinch. Inflation, rising costs, budget pressure, all is real. Yet, there's a dramatic twist. The army gets unprecedented funds. Security is prioritized over social spending as Israel braces for a potential showdown with Iran. Here, it is a message, basically, a message to Iran and the rest of the world. This isn't just a budget, it's a bold warning. Every missile launched by Iran is being tracked right now. Every drone in Tehran's arsenal is analyzed. Israel is signaling loudly, we see you, we are ready. And Netanyahu, well, he's making sure that the world knows Israel isn't shrinking back. So here's the bottom line. $44 billion to shield Israel's future. That's right. So here's the bottom line of the story. It's high stake, big money. $44 billion to shield Israel's future. $2.2 billion to counter immediate threats. Citizens facing economic hardship while the army prepares for the worst. Basically, in short, Israel is spending big to survive, to dominate, and to send a message. One question remains. At what cost will this fear fund come? To the economy, to the people, and to the region's fragile peace?